Another body and styling upgrade for the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car, guys. Today, we're gonna be installing the Ford Performance Euro style taillights, which fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustangs. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house with another body and styling upgrade for the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. Today, we're gonna be installing the Ford Performance Euro style taillights, which fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustangs. These are a direct replacement for your factory taillights. They have a nice white lens to them, LED lighting, and still have the sequential setup on them. These are plug and play, so they already have the harness on them with the grommet. It should only take 3 10mm bolts to remove on each side. Plug and play harness. Hopefully we'll make it easy for you guys. Let's install it and improve the look of this car. Remember now, guys, this car we are giving away. Building it up and giving it away. From now through May 31st, every dollar that you spend here at lethalperformance.com gains you an entry to our giveaway. Not only is this car going to be built up with a Whipple, Kooks Headers, AWE catback, Cervinis, 777, all the good mods, but also $10,000 in cash. So head on over to lethalperformance.com for your parts, accessories, and swag for your entries today. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Let's find out what's in the box. Tell you what, we sell a ton of Ford Performance parts here at Lethal Performance. We are a direct distributor, so we list their entire line of aftermarket parts and accessories. And these are definitely a hot seller for us here. Part number M-13504-MC. There we go. Take a look at these bad boys. Try not drop it. All right. So, as you can see, the difference from your factory red style taillights, these have white in them with clear lens, LEDs, and again also function with the sequential, so you get that beep, 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 beep. All right, and I was mentioning that plug and play harness, just like stock OEM quality plug and play. Let's go ahead, pop the trunk, pull the factory ones out, and install these babies and see how they look. First step, pop the trunk. Hopefully there's no bodies in here. Oh, we're good, no bodies. All right, we're gonna remove these 4 plastic nuts. That's what we're calling them today, right, Joe? Plastic nuts. Looks like they just unscrew like that. Bada boom, bada bang. There we go. Get that out of the way. So I think we've got a push pin over here. Pop that out. There we go, just like that. So we're gonna be removing this 10mm nut, this one, and then this one up in here. We've also got the factory harness, which will unclip as well to disconnect that taillight, and then we'll install the Ford Performance piece. Let's go ahead by removing this connector, pinching down on it. There we go. That's out of the way. Let's go ahead, 10mm socket. Those easy upgrades to do. Pretty much most people can do this stuff in their driveway or garage. And the last one. All right, so let's remove the taillight assembly. Let's pop this off. There we go. Get rid of it. Put that connector through. Let's pop that grommet in place, nice and secure. There we go. Now we're gonna tighten up those nuts, your 10mm nuts. Here's 1, there's 2. Got it. All right, tighten them up. Joe, what do you say? As far as tightening these, what would you recommend to people? Don't go crazy, right? Yeah. Because we don't want to, you know, it's basically those are in plastic. Yeah, a little bit more than hand tight. So you're not going to crank on them. You don't want to crack the plastic or anything like that. Crack. And what we'll do is we'll feel on the outside. It's got a little bit of room. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. Good job. There we go. We'll reconnect that factory harness right into the connector there. Clicked in. good to go. And now we're gonna head over to the other side and repeat the same thing we did on this passenger side for the driver's side. I didn't even think about this, but like the whole like giveaway car thing, not only is this a giveaway car like built up with all the awesome mods and stuff from all the companies that we deal with, the fact is that I've done a bunch of installs on this car myself. So you guys out there are gonna get a car that I worked on, the Mustang King himself, believe it or not. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is. It's kind of scary when you think about it. Yeah. Oh. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. One. Here's two. To access number 3. Here we go. Let's disconnect. It's kind of in a tough spot back here. You can still get to it. I've got my finger on it. Disconnected that connector there, and we'll slide that factory taillight assembly out. We'll pop that grommet out of the way, just like that. And let's grab the other Euro style taillight. Putting the grommet in place, the connector through, pop that grommet in, very easy. And we're gonna slide it into place. There we go, there we go, in the hole. So let's reinstall those 10mm nuts on the 3 studs. There we go. Got it. And then we'll reinstall that factory connector from the aftermarket light to the factory harness just by sliding it in. Listen for the click. There we go. It's in place. All right, guys, we're getting there. Let's reinstall this rear trunk trim back here just the way it was before we started doing the install. Get this back in place with the push pin. If I can find the push pin, there we go. Got that right there. Same thing under here, put it under rubber trim. Slide this right back into place. There we go. Put our plastic nuts on. Got that. Slide that trunk liner back into place. And we're almost finished, guys. One more thing we gotta do. Come on over here. Last but not least, there's this plastic little piece here on the top of each side of your taillight. You're gonna wanna remove these and then replace them back on to the aftermarket Ford Performance ones. I guess we're just gonna give it a yank and see how it goes. You ready? Here we go. Cool. And press it right on. Just like that. Boom. Ready? There we go. Oh my God. Boom. Look at that, guys. That looks sweet. Another body and styling upgrade for the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car, guys. It looks great. Definitely gives it that Euro look. And again, fit and finish on them is real nice. OEM quality, guys. This is probably, again, just another part from Ford from a different vehicle that they're using to allow guys who don't have that certain package to put these on their car. Definitely a nice upgrade for any S550 Mustang out there. It really makes things look good. Well, we've also got a couple additional mods. I definitely think it's gonna pop really nice with those Lethal Performance carbon fiber trim bezels on the back, as well as our GT500 carbon fiber spoiler that's gonna go right here and replace the factory stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Let's move on to those next mods. Make sure to follow our entire build of the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car on our YouTube channel. And again, head over to lethalperformance.com and place your orders for your entries. Every dollar spent gains you an entry and possibility at winning this car plus 10 grand cash. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here.